Welcome back, everyone. This is part, I believe, 34 or 35 of working on the 7610. So right now, this is a roof. I moved the block, I put it on a pallet for now. But what we are going to do is we're going to take these metal brackets off on the side so we can start prepping the roof for repair. Because the roof is fiberglass, and the front clip right there is fiberglass too. So we gotta... Ooh. I believe this roof's never been off. So, and then we gotta go through all the hardware. And, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, you know? Because I'm a small YouTuber, I know. When I say that, I got like almost 7,000 subscribers, but I am a pretty small YouTuber compared to most YouTubers. 100,000 to 2 million subscribers, so I am in the small category still. And I may have 6,000 subscribers, but I don't have 6,000 people that watch my channel. So, or I mean watch my videos, I mean. But see, there's that bracket right there. Has a good weight to it. Back when they made stuff to last, you know. Thought I was going to make it through without having to change the battery. No, instead. Gonna have to get a new battery. I got one right here, already charged. So that's good. Check on that one. Oh, you guys, little microphones down there. My bad, I didn't see that. There you guys are. So yeah. There's that bracket right there, and leave a like. You know, I'm showing you guys a how-to, step-by-step, on to restore and fix your 10 Series Ford tractor. There's not many, if any, videos like this out there. And I got other projects coming down the path too, you know. I got my 84 square body that I gotta finish. That's more popular than the old 10 Series Ford. But, working on old tractors and old trucks, I guess. Got that all off. So now all the brackets are off. So now, what I am going to do is I am going to flip this over. I am going to flip this over. Besides, I'm going to sand this little spot first. Okay, that little spot's sanded. Yeah, there's a crack right there. Well, I'm going to put on my respirator because that stuff does not smell good. Or maybe I'll go get my little fan. Probably go get my little fan. I don't really have another battery to put on my fan, so. Use old respirator. Okay. Got my respirator on. Yeah. There's another crap right over here. Pretty old, I mean, this roof's pretty sure it's the same one from the factory. And the tractor's an 82. So, I mean, so now, make sure you guys are still on. You guys are still on. We're at 7 minutes. I don't know how long I'm gonna make this video, but that's pretty much it on this side for now. I'll put you guys over here while I switch roof to the other side. Okay, so now it's to this side. Now, I am going to spray it down with some super clean. I'm going to give it a wipe down with a rag to get some of the stuff so I'm not sanding dirt or dust. Because this tractor sat in the barn back there for since I think 2011. So it's covered in all types of stuff. I remember pressure washers, but I didn't, I guess, get the very top of gas. I'll just give it a wipe down real quick. I'll go get a towel. Okay, I am back. Move this over. So you guys hear what the heck I'm talking about. Okay. Should just go pressure wash this, but I want to fire up the pressure wash and get it all set up. So I have to do this, I guess. Get clean. Gotta break this hard surface up. So as you can see, it's a lot more. Like right there is a crack right there. And you can see there's, like right there, there's stress cracks all through this. Get you guys up here. There's stress cracks all through this, you know. Knocked you guys down again. And people may be asking, why don't you just buy a new roof? Go try to find this roof. Go try to find it. There's one company I think of that makes tops like this, but it ain't gonna be like exactly like this one. This is a Ford part right here. So you aren't gonna probably find it. I'm having a hard time finding some parts for this old tractor. Might just go. It ain't that bad. But man, would it be so much simpler just to pressure wash this. I might just do that. I might just cover it down with some degreaser. Get a good idea where the cracks are. I might have the company sponsor me some fiberglass repair. Not really sure about that yet. Would help out a lot. But yeah, just don't know. Got these wires trying to help more than that. That's how much dirt and dust is on this thing. Bird crap, probably. But you want a clean surface when you're working with fiberglass. So, gonna have to get a clean surface. Found another crack right there. This whole corner right here is all. Is that the back? No, that's the front. That's all stressed. It's all stress cracked. But, yeah, you know. Might just go bring it over there to go wash it real quick. I don't know. But see if you guys are still on. Okay, we're at 17 minutes. So basically, this person can't see what the heck I'm talking about, so I'm moving guys over there. See you guys done before. So, like right there, like look at that. There's stress craft all the way down that. And I remember when I was working on it, I did hit the bucket of the 580 with this right here, but not over here. Or you know what might have happened is, no, that couldn't have happened, because if that would have happened, it would have been a crunch right here. When it slipped and picked it up a little, it would have crunched it right here, because the mounts are right here, not over there. So that's just from wear and tear, I guess. That's usually how it is. I mean, if this is the original top of this tractor, I mean, it's from 1982, so that's just, I mean, fiberglass cracks, it gets old, so I'll repair it. Hopefully I can get it to look good and prep it and everything, prime it and spray it and throw it back on the tractor. Paint the brackets, but yeah. Well, I don't think you guys want to watch me go to wash this, so gonna end the video here. I want to thank everyone for stopping by and watching the series. The Ford series is getting the most views on my channel right now, so I'll just keep making the Ford videos, I guess. So, thanks.